Today I'll be showing you how I adapt math. Hi teacher friends, welcome back to the Adapted Classroom and welcome back to another episode of How I Adapt That. One of my first tips for adapting math is to use hands-on manipulatives. Things like base 10 blocks, counters, number lines. Here are the math manipulatives in our math center. We have Legos, we have the tangrams, we have, what are these? Little pattern block things. We have these little magnetiles. Anyways, we have the little bears. Just a ton of manipulatives to do math with, colors, numbers, 10 frames, all the fun stuff. These things are great for counting, addition, subtraction, and place value.
We got 5, 5, and 3. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 5 plus 3 is 13.
My other suggestion is to use physical objects. Dollar Tree has great objects to pair with math lessons, things like fruits, cars. They even have great themes throughout the year, so I've bought pots of gold for St. Patrick's Day. I purchased little pumpkins for Halloween. I purchased apples for the fall. My next tip is to build in repetition. Repeat the skill across multiple days and contexts. In my classroom, we like to do a number of the day. We'll start with choosing a number. We'll have the students choose using a spinner. Then we'll sing a number of the day song, and we'll have the students write down the number.
What's our number of the day?
16.
Then we'll play some games that have to do with the number of the day as well. And my last tip is, of course, to make it accessible. For students who are non-speaking, you want to use visual supports and AAC. So I have some visual supports here that are perfect for math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, more, less, let's count, small, big, different, same. And we have shapes and colors, yes and no. And we have numbers. Another way that we love making math accessible in my classroom is using a switch with a spinner. And we use our spinner to choose colors, numbers, shapes. That's all I have for you today. I hope this was helpful. I'll be back on Monday with more tips on how you can adapt your classroom to fit the needs of your students. Bye!